So I very much so broke my side view mirror off today as I was driving out of my driveway. Only an idiot maybe would do this to her car, but I figured I'd make a learning experience out of it. Apparently my boyfriend says it's easy, so we're gonna find out. Hello camera, I am Sakura. So after watching exactly one YouTube video, I have learned that you were supposed to remove the side of this car. So, whew, spicy. I don't know what I'm doing. One, the car is off. Two, I learned that you're supposed to remove this. I've returned with a knife. In the one video I saw, it said I had to pry this off, or like, push it. Hello? Oh, I can do that. Can't see. I'm prepared with exactly one Phillips head screwdriver and one bolt, so I'm just gonna go ahead and loosey-goosey. Does the piece come off yet? Anything? Budging? No? Okay, no. Is there a pry thingy on here? No. How do I? Hello? No. Okay. Is this it? Is this like a button? Oh. I got it. No, come on. Screw number 2 is off. Box. And now, yeah, I know what I'm doing. What up? Cool. All right, here's the hard part. I gotta unscrew these bolts. No way these are coming off. No way. How do I need a clamp. Okay, I cheated a little. I got help. The guy's just helping me is Tim, that nice fellow over there. He's letting me borrow his wrench.
Well, they did quite a good job. All you was missing was the wrench. Alright, that messes up. Oh, there it is. It's working. Yeah. You got the wrench, right?
Yeah.
Alright,
Dude,
cool.
no,
I'm pretty sure they just clips now.
Thanks.
Okay.
Wow. Holy shit, guys. So I did it. I finally attached my side mirror to my car, and I know that's not such a big deal, but to me it is because I'm scared to do so many different car things. Just want to take this as a reminder to all of you. When something negative happens in your day and you think, oh my God, that totally just ruined my day, find a way to make it positive. I chose to turn this little disaster into a learning experience, and I learned how to change my own side mirror. Yeah, sure, I got a little bit of help from the guy from Pepboys, but I took the door off. I got that far. I just needed a wrench.